Hey guys, so this week's Wear It 3 Ways is this little black dress, which I am loving. What's so funny is I actually made this dress about 2 years ago, maybe 3, and I saw it sitting and I said, you know what, let me use that this week for Wear It 3 Ways. So I'm going to be styling this in different ways. As you can see, this look right here is very simple, it's very easy. And these dresses can go on anybody, any size, and you can rock it comfortably and fashionably. So right here, I just took it and I added a little bit, something easy, a sneaker. You can always put a sandal with it if you want to wear a sandal. But I actually wanted to create just a nice, simple, easy sneaker. I love sneakers anyway, so I put a sneaker with it. Added my own little touches to it with accessories, and this is an easy go-to. You want to go to the beach, you're going out for the day, especially with summer hitting, you definitely want to find some comfortable things. I'm actually going to try to make some time so that I can make some more of these in some different colors, so I will definitely be sharing those once I do. But wanted to share that this will be the Wear It 3-Way look for this week, so stay tuned for how I style this black dress with a few different other things. Looking forward to seeing you guys, and hopefully you guys are following, and hopefully you guys are sharing. All my fashionistas, all my fashion lovers, get with me. Let me know what y'all think. Which look was your favorite? Which look you liked the most? Which look maybe you didn't like? What would you have added to it? I love to hear your input, your comments, whatever you want to share. Looking forward to talking to you guys, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.